Welcome to the LUI freeze-thaw elution simulation. Elution refers to the process of removing antibodies from the surfaces of cells. The LUI freeze-thaw elution procedure is designed to recover antibodies bound to red blood cells when the suspected antibody is either anti-A or anti-B. In this simulation, you'll complete the elution process and identify associated antibodies collected. Since this procedure is fairly long and complicated, this video guide will only cover the basics of the procedure and refers you to Lesson 1 covering this topic for the exact steps for completing the elution. The 8 major parts of this process include preparing the sample, washing the sample, some additional sample preparation, the freeze-thaw process, preparing the last wash and elution sets, adding cells, incubation and centrifuging, and preparing the samples for observation. You'll record your observations of the last wash and elution samples and decide whether a check cells procedure is required or not. Finally, you'll identify the blood types of a mother and her baby.